French Tweets is glad to facilitate French learning through live online classes for learners all across the world. Our live online French classes make it easy for beginners to learn this beautiful language from scratch. We have a dedicated and qualified team of French language experts who leave no stone unturned in delivering the best lectures. They are au courant with the latest teaching methodologies and are highly competent at teaching French for different levels. TEF Canada, TCF, TCFQ, TEFAQ, DELF, or DELF, no matter what test you are preparing for, we have well-structured online live classes designed for each session. Join our French Tweets community of learners and learn anytime, anywhere. You can visit our website www.frenchtweets.ca to check out the course plan and class schedule for our upcoming batches. You may also opt for personalized learning where we can customize the plan as per your needs. Thanks for watching French Tweets.
Monsieur, vous avez choisi?
Oui, je vais prendre un menu à 12 € avec une soupe à l'oignon en entrée et une entrecôte au roquefort.
Votre entrecôte, vous la voulez comment?
À point, s'il vous plaît.
Et comme boisson?
Un demi, s'il vous plaît, et une carafe d'eau.
Ça a été?
Oui, très bien.
Vous prenez un dessert? Une tarte? Une glace?
Qu'est-ce que vous avez comme glace?
Vanille, fraise, café, chocolat, praliné.
Alors, vanille chocolat, s'il vous plaît.
Un café.
Oui, un café et l'addition.
French Tweets online classes offer you the freedom to learn this beautiful and soft-spoken language from the comfort of your home. If you want to improve your oral and written communication for immigration tests like TEF Canada, TCF, TEFAQ or TCFQ, DELF or DELF, then attending our live sessions will surely give you an edge. We offer personalized training for mastering the speaking and writing strategies straight from global native experts. You may also connect to us through our website www.frenchtweets.ca to register and know about our classes for all levels and tests. We are glad to have your wonderful support and response. You can follow us on Instagram to stay updated about our upcoming batches and also to find exclusive French learning material. Like, share and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more such learning videos and exclusive study material.